Connecting Noapara with the northern suburb of Barasat, the Noapara-Barasat metro work is rapidly progressing. Construction of 10 kilometers metro line is already going on. Summarizing the progress of this line, let's get a quick overview of the status of the metro line. Kolkata is soon going to have the longest ever section of continuous metro viaduct, a 3-kilometer section between Noapara and DUMDUM Cantonment. The entire portion has been divided into two sections, a part along the Baghjona Canal and the rest along Eastern Railway tracks. Construction of the entire viaduct has been completed all throughout. Let's get a quick walkthrough. Civil works of entire DUMDUM Cantonment station has been completed. Construction of tracks are yet to be done though. A second portion of viaduct from DUMDUM Cantonment to Joshua Road is under progress. The existing viaduct of Eastern Railway is being modified to carry the load of metro coaches very soon. A new single line viaduct is also under construction along the old single line Eastern Railway viaduct to make way for Noapara bound trains. Opposite to Jisha factory beside Joshua Road, the old elevated Eastern Railway viaduct for airport bound local trains moved towards airport. But the new metro line is gradually moving down to enter the tunnels. So the old railway viaduct is being modified and a slope is being created. This is being done by trimming down the top portion of the old pillars and by casting a new pier cap. Then the girders are gradually being jacked down to have a new gradient. For the first time ever, this system is being implemented anywhere in the country, as Kolkata Metro is the first metro in India where an old railway line is being modified as a metro line. The strength of these girders have been checked with ultrasonic pulse, velocity tests, etc. They have been found safe, although a speed restriction may be there on them. Local trains had a top speed of not more than 50 kmph on those girders. Joshua Road is a major station, which has made significant progress over the past few years. The at-grade station will provide access to all passengers residing around airport at Nombor Gate. The tracks then dive deep into the soil, moving along the airport road. A single tunnel has been shoved to make the way for two tracks laid parallelly for up and down trains. These tunnels move forward to meet Kolkata's 6th metro line, the New Airport metro corridor. We'll make a video on this line very soon. These tracks go ahead to form the largest underground metro yard at Kolkata International Airport. A huge metro station with 5 platforms about 150 meters away from the airport is being built. The station will have subways equipped with modern travelators. At airport, the orange line will end, whereas the yellow line will continue towards Barasat. But physical interchange will be available to facilitate an extension of orange line towards Barasat as well. Airport and Joshua Road stations may take about 2 years to open, taking the deadline to 2025. But trial runs are expected any time by end of 2024. Tracks have been laid from airport to Joshua Road, whereas work on the rest of the line is under progress. For more such content on India's unique infrastructure projects, please subscribe to our channel MRB and have a nice day.